Can we speak in tongues? We don't have to say a single word. Hey, tell me a never-ending story. Fire the night dances in your eyes. Lit by the light of holy fire, you seem to say it all with your devil smile. Oh, my language is...
I'm a huge fan of this, by the way. It's so good. You probably can't see it, but it is really good, and I'm gonna eat it now as lunch.
Can we speak in tongues?
I just wanted to pop in to say hi, and today I actually feel super lazy. I kind of just want to watch YouTube all day, but I've planned to update my website a little bit because currently there is no specific portfolio page, and I want to make that to show off all my work. Previous week was very busy and I also didn't vlog as much, but I did make some shorts which you can see on my channel page. I also have these little clippies in. Actually, I didn't plan to buy them, but I was looking at them and I accidentally let them fall on the ground, and 2 of them broke, so I just went to the checkout immediately to buy them because it was so embarrassing.
Can we speak in tongues? We don't have to say a single word, a single word. I'm trying to find the words to say to you, but all that's in my head is the way you move. I'm trying to find the words to say to you. Don't need them, don't need them. We conversate in the groove. I'm trying to find the words to say to you. Get caught in my mouth when I look at you. I'm trying to find the words to say to you, to say to you. I feel out of body when I look into your red eyes. Out of body when I have visions collide. Yeah, you know you got me riding in the palm of your hands now. Somehow got it up around you in me at the most high. The way your body feels the rhythm of the divine. I wanna burn up in your holy fire, in your holy fire. Oh, oh. Can we speak in tongues? The ancient language of us. Can we speak in tongues? Yeah, we don't have to say a single word, a single word. Come pretty far, but I need a break back. Had a feeling you like that. I just put my fight back. Yeah, I know it'll be you who give me my life back. I won't even fight back. Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay fit. Had relapse. Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay fit. I've relapsed. What to do? Think I might have lost my head. Left it on sunset. Boulevard, I've been missing it. It's okay. If you miss something and I want it back. The withdrawal had me jonesing, but I'm never going back. Lost my mind, left my heart, can't stay fit. Had relapse. Lost my mind, left my heart.
Hi guys! So today I'm going to go to a coffee shop to work there. Yesterday I made a really fun drawing as well, and I'm really happy with it because it was kind of random, but I really like how it came out. And actually today I became a godmother because my niece was born this night and her name is Anna, and I'm going to go to the print shop now to print one of her gifts. And it's actually kind of funny because I prepared for this because I expected her to be an Aries, but actually she turned out to be a Pisces. But I'm very happy I also drew an illustration for Pisces, so I'm safe.
For the days that are falling away.
I really like this drawing. I did it yesterday evening, but I think I like the part the most like this, and that it would be cuter if it would be cut off. I just made this sketch because I had a super original idea, I know, and I just wanted to sketch it, but now I have to make our dinner, and after that we're going to go swimming together. First of all, I want to talk about a little oopsie we had. So the biggest part of this video was filmed with the audio, the volume level of my camera really low, so the quality isn't that great, but at first I was panicking a lot because it was totally inaudible, but then when I made the volume higher you could at least understand it, and the quality is like still fine. It's not that great, but it's like you can understand what I'm saying. So now it's Monday, and on Saturday and Sunday everything kind of got cancelled because I was suddenly ill and I might have had a virus or something like that, because on Sunday we planned to go to an animal shelter to go visit a cat, but the cat was adopted anyway by the time we wanted to go, and we're still looking for a cat at the moment. It's a big like search for a cat, I guess. And on Sunday I also wanted to visit my newborn niece, but we didn't go because, as I said, I might have had a virus. And I have my gift now, which is finished. It's in a frame, and I will give it, I think, in about a week or something, because I'm very happy with it and I want to see my baby niece because she's so cute. Also, during the weekend I made some designs. The first one is this comic, which isn't really that original of an idea, but I still think it came out cute and funny. So I made this comic yesterday evening. So Sunday evening I tried to work on a redesign from a t-shirt we printed like 4 years ago or something. We printed it ourselves and I also designed it myself. But when I look back at it now, it's like a very simple design, so I just redid it and added some stuff, and I think it looks really cool. We had some doubts about which design was the best and which background color, but I'm kind of I've gotten some feedback from my followers, and I can work on that. And I'm not like planning to print it like any day soon because I have absolutely no money. Also, my business is still paused, so I can't even spend or earn money with it at the moment. But it's still nice to just work on it and design it, and like having the feeling that I've made a t-shirt or a long sleeve. Well, it's not even physical, like it's not even in the real world, but it's still the design. Ooh, oh my god. Hi guys, so I have all my packages here from small businesses that I ordered, and they finally all arrived. So I'm going to open them for you on camera. The first one I have here is from Nakita van Bos. I ordered stickers, so let's open them. There's an extra sticker of a little fishy. Little fish. Don't forget to check out the last vlog as well, because I also unpacked an order I got from Perfumables, which also includes a lot of freebies. Cute! Oh my gosh. Bulbasaur is on top, which is one of my favorite starters. Here's Bulbasaur. They are matte stickers. Cute. A Pokeball. A little Mew. So cute with the sparkles. Charmander, of course. Ninetales, which was my favorite Pokemon for a long time. Umbreon. Oh my god, it's so cute. Meowth. And another Pokeball. Thank you so much, Nikita, for the lovely stickers. So let's go on to the next package, which is from Anne-Sophie Dollander. Also a cute print on its own, with another free sticker. Look at this, it's a love potion. Oh my gosh! And here is the keychain. It looks so good. I love the sparkles on it. It has like a heart clampy thing. Oh my gosh, look at that, it's so pretty. I also have this envelope from my best friend who gave me some free prints and a sticker, so I'll show that as well. But she doesn't have a shop yet, but you can of course follow her on Instagram. It's really cool, such a cool style and very colorful. This is a sticker. It's so cool and has a lot of details. Ooh, my god, I'm trying to show it. It's so pretty. And the colors look very nice as well. And then this cool print of a clown. She really likes to draw a lot of clowns. It looks very cool. Permanently sad, occasionally funny is the name of this print. And it's the first edition. I'm like honored to have it. I think it's like water elements. So cool. Mycorrhizal network. I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. Also a first edition print. Yay! I love it. Thank you so much. It looks so cute. It has like this Happy Meal tape on it. And a cute stamp. Oh my gosh, this sticker, a thank you sticker, is so cute. I'll probably save it for myself to like keep as decoration. So I'll try to peel it off very slowly. Such a cute sticker. This was like my biggest order, I think. Oh my god, another free sticker. It's so pretty. Thank you. It's so pretty. All those thank you cards are like such aesthetic prints. I will use them all in my studio. Wait, I have to show this correctly, but I have no orientation. Look at that. It's so pretty. It comes with a discount code and a cute little freebie. This washi tape, which looks so cute. It looks so cute. I'm going to peel it off a bit to show you. Wow, it's like a picnic theme. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Oh, look at that. Very cute. It's a keychain with a little gummy bear attached to it, and it has like a green handle grippy thing. Oh my gosh. Again, see it at both sides. It's the same with the previous keychain, which I also love very much. And I also ordered this cute notepad. Again, this is like my second notepad I ordered from a small business. Look at that. I have a thing with carrots apparently, with what I ordered. So cute. You can just make small notes on these and stick them everywhere. I could use my washi tape that I ordered as well. What? This paper is so cute. What? And the sticker as well. Oh no, I probably have to destroy it, but I want to keep it. And the paper as well. Oh yeah, I remember now. Okay, there are like a lot more things that I ordered. I have like little tassels attached to them. Again, the print with the carrots with a yellow tassel. Then this one, also very cute and pink with the with the green tassel. Some bakery items, I guess, with bread and stuff like that. With a yellow tassel, also very cute. Worms and like, I don't know how to call these, like squiggly things. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Lastly, this cute print. So cute. And then this one is also very cute. Look at the face. It's like some plants and flowers with a little girl and a bird on top of the girl. It's so cute. Very pretty. It's like handmade. It's from Nilopov. Cute sticker. Oh, another cute freebie sticker. Wait, let me show you. It's okay not to be okay. That's very cute. It's so pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a small mirror and she painted like all of this has little sparkles. I love it so much. I'm so happy it was still online. I will hang this up in my studio as well, like everything else here. It's so well done. Also, I don't know if I even mentioned like the name of my best friend, but it's Nikoni. Be sure to check her out, as well as everyone else. Look at all these goodies. I love them so much. These are so pretty. I'm very excited. Thank you so much. I have been filming for exactly a week, and I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. And don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe, and also watch my previous videos because I put a lot of work in them. And I hope you have a good day or night, and see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.